After receiving the goods, please check the appearance of parts. Whether there is any abnormal looseness. Connect the voltage of 220 volts. Turn on the leakage protection switch. Turn on the drive switch. At the same time, the prompting light will light up. Slowly adjust the speed knob. The gear motor drives the torque converter. You can clearly see the internal mechanical structure rotating. Come to the rear, you can see the rotation of the differential. The half-shaft gears are rotating. Keep adjusting the knob to increase the speed. You can clearly see the internal mechanical gears rotating faster. Warm reminder, do not touch the internal mechanical structure during the operation of the equipment. Return the knob to 0 when you're done, until it stops rotating. Turn off the control switch. Then turn off the leakage protection switch. Unplug the 220V power supply.